Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download action and stuff in Minecraft for free. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to get Minecraft actions and stuff for free, you have to follow these steps. First things first, no matter what platform you're on, you're going to want to open up a web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you like. What you're going to want to do is go to Microsoft Rewards, open up that section, scroll down a little bit, look for about Microsoft Rewards and select it. Once you are on this page, then choose Start Earning. From here, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account that is linked to your Minecraft Bedrock Edition account and wait for it to load. You're going to see your daily dashboard with daily sets, quizzes, polls, and a bunch of rewards. Essentially, you'll want to complete these daily quests. The key is consistency because points stack up a lot over time, and doing this every single day is where you make real progress. Once you have enough points, go to the Redeem tab at the top and either search or scroll until you see Mine Coins. Once you find it, redeem that. After redeeming, back out, head back to Minecraft, and you might have to restart the game. Then go back to actions and stuff and redeem your Mine Coins. You are good to go. This is the legit free method using Microsoft Rewards, and that's it. This is how you can download action and stuff in Minecraft for free. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.